Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us from all over the Americas. We are here today with Florence Renaud, the Director of Sales of the new Hotel
Hi,
Bauman in
everyone.
Paris. And Florence is surprising us today. As you know, the hotel is closed because of the quarantine, but Florence has decided to open the hotel for us. So we are very excited. Thank you very much, Florence. And let's go. As I said, if you have any question, why don't we ask? You can ask at the same time we do the visit, so we don't have to wait for the end. And let's be more spontaneous, like if we were all together. Huh? Florence, my dear, it's all yours.
Sure. Thank you, Dominique. So, hello, everyone. Very happy today to make a virtual, let's say, hotel live tour. So, let me just show you the beautiful entrance of the hotel. So basically, this is what you see when you first enter the hotel. You see this beautiful chandelier that overlooks this eclectic decor. So what you have to know about the Hotel Bauman is that it's really a hotel where tradition will meet innovation. Why are we saying this? It's because basically you will always find those beautiful golden moldings on the walls, those very detailed cornices on the ceilings that will be in contrast, for example, with the reception desk, which is in a more design and contemporary style. So basically this will be the decoration theme throughout the hotel, this is eclectic decor. As you can see here, right next to the reception desk is our cozy salon where you can have your cup of coffee, read your newspaper. So I will show it to you live with those beautiful sofas and this beautiful marble desk there. This is where as well you will find the business center of the hotel where basically we put at your disposal a computer and a printer. Now, if we walk down the hallway, this is where you will discover our very nice restaurant. So let me just show you.
We lost you a little bit, Florence. No, but no surprise. We didn't do the tour before, so we don't know yet where the internet will be losing us, but we should be welcoming Florence soon. All right, just to let you know about the location.
Huh? Origami style lamp.
We did lost you a bit, Florence. So.
Oh, sorry. Where did you lose me? Can you hear me well now?
At the entrance, at the door, at the door.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I was showing you the restaurant of showing all of them that was designed.
Mm-hmm. The
So this is where
the reception is not very good. Huh? We could not hear you well.
Oh no. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well now?
Yes, we do. Mm-hmm.
Is it better? Okay,
yeah.
Let me just stay here. I will try not to move. I am showing you there our very nice and cozy bar with this beautiful black and white marble desk where our chef barman creates really nice signature cocktails. If you want to have a drink, enjoy some finger food before strolling around Paris by night, this is really the place to be. Again, you will see on the ceiling another origami lamp that was especially designed for the hotel.
Mm-hmm. Remind us who is the architect? Oh, my dear Florence, we have lost you. All right. Sorry about that. I don't know why we have a little bit of connection problem, but anyway, we can see a little better. Florence, we cannot hear you, but at least we can see.
So, can you hear me now?
Yes. I don't know why it's cutting off, because
I'm so sorry because I did a test before. It was not, connection was stable. So I will try not to move so that you can hear me well. Is it okay now?
Yeah. So I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about the architect.
Yes, of course. So the architect is Laurent Mauguste, who is a famous Parisian interior designer. And really, his idea when he takes care of a project, he really enjoys working with historical places, and he really likes to mix, different styles. So the hotel is truly a good example, because here, this is where he has put in light all of the typical Haussmannian architectural style of the hotel by adding a touch of modernity with the furniture he chose in order to create throughout the hotel timeless elegance. So as I said before, with the Haussmannian architectural style, you will see the detailed cornices on the ceilings that you will find in all of the rooms. In the rooms, again, you will find the golden moldings on the walls. Also, what is typical of Haussmannian buildings is the marble chimneys that you will find here in the restaurant and in some of our suites. Another typical architectural style, Haussmannian style, is that you will have very high ceilings on the first floors of the hotel. The famous, of course, herringbone wooden floor in the rooms. And as I said before, yes, the marble chimneys as well.
Mhm.
So
the location
regarding
is great, huh? 99 Boulevard Haussmann. You're surrounded by boutiques, restaurants. Can you tell us a little more?
Exactly. So neighborhood is great. What's nice about the location is that we are in central Paris. So to give you an idea, we are located on the famous Haussmann Boulevard. So 5 minutes away from the famous Parc Monceau. Champs-Élysées Avenue is like 15 minutes away by foot. If you want to go to Galerie Lafayette or Printemps, it's like just 12 minutes away. If you want to do some luxury shopping in the famous boutiques Dior, Chanel, Hermès, Rue Faubourg Saint-Honoré is only 5 minutes away. So we are really in a residential and office area of Paris. So it's very quiet. If you want to truly live like a Parisian, it's the perfect location, and you are very close by to famous museums such as Nissim de Camondo, the famous Jacques Marandré Museum as well. You also have a lot of different typical French brasseries such as La Pépinière, typical also French bistronomic cuisine with Joël Robuchon. So it's a very nice neighborhood, and also it's well known for its art shops and galleries. So I know that Saint-Germain-des-Prés, for example, is known for this, but this area of Paris as well, and a lot of people do not know that. So it's a good way to stroll around different art stores and art galleries, which is quite nice.
Okay.
Now, if I continue in the restaurant, I just wanted to show you a hidden treasure of the restaurant, which is our inner courtyard and garden.
Mhm.
So basically, during the sunny days, so starting from now, let's say until October, we are very proud to propose this spot to our guests. So it's truly a heaven of peace. You can't hear a thing when you're staying here. So you can enjoy your lunch or dinner or just a cup of coffee or just your drink. You can stay here, and during the sunny days, it's a really peaceful and quiet area. So we're very proud to propose this to our guests. So let me go back inside.
And then, of course, everyone has to know, because the hotel is closed, there is no setup. Huh? But of course, I've seen it in a beautiful, more decorated way. Huh? Voilà.
Of course.
You're the only one today, huh? So that's really interesting.
Exactly. The hotel is closed. I'm the only one at the hotel right now.
Yeah.
So yes, of course, when we will reopen, there's going to be beautiful flowers at the reception, in the inner garden, in the restaurant as well. So yes, of course.
Yeah, but
so I am going to take the elevator. Yeah, so I'm going to take the elevator right now. So connection will be lost just a few minutes. I will come back and see you back when I will be on the 8th floor.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, see you later then.
So I don't know if anybody has question while we are going through the elevator with Florence. Huh? I think she's going directly to the Bowman suite. I think that was the plan, and you're going to see how amazing it is. And that's it. I think, as you heard everyone on Sunday, it was announced that Europe will be open to all vaccinated. I heard Americans, I suppose Canadian too. If anyone has any information on that, but that's a good news, because if they open in June, then it's mean July, August, September. The summer is going to be safe in Europe. So this hotel was not a hotel before. It was an apartment and office building on the 99 Boulevard Haussmann. So it's kind of new for everyone. Many people have not seen it yet. So where are we going now, Florence?
Can you see me now? Can you see my screen?
800 number on the door.
Perfect. Now, I am very happy to show you today our biggest suite of the hotel, which is the Suite Bowman, which is our little jewel at the hotel. So very happy to show you and do this tour today. So we are on the last floor of the hotel. We are on the 8th floor, and basically on the 8th floor, you will find only the Suite Bowman. So it's 100 square meters.
So a little more than 1,000 square feet.
Yes, exactly. So here we are in this spacious bedroom. So I will not be able to show you other rooms today, but basically the walls with the golden moldings here and the detailed golden cornices on the ceiling, this is this decoration, you will find them in all of our rooms and suites. So this is our spacious bedroom. Right here, you have our very nice bathroom, which is entirely recovered with golden leaves, with the decorated toilets here. You have this beautiful bathtub, an area here where you can do your makeup, skin routine. Very spacious.
You have Japanese toilets in all the bathrooms throughout the
Indeed. Indeed, we have all of our bathrooms are equipped with Japanese toilets. That's correct.
And on the floor heating as well, huh?
Yes, true.
So
and here,
especially that throughout the hotel, throughout the room, the color is the same. You use the white, the gold, a little bit of pink, a little bit of champagne color, huh?
Exactly. So this is the typical theme color that you will find throughout the hotel. And actually, depending on the floor you're staying at, the colors on the pillows and the curtains will change. So for example, on the 2nd floor of the hotel, you will find a deep red color. On the 7th floor of the hotel, it's going to be a royal blue color. On the 3rd and 4th floor, it's going to be pastel pink. So yeah, in order to bring a little bit more spirit to the hotel, we added a touch of color. So here,
one bedroom, but because of the division created by the bathroom, you can easily turn it for a family of 4, huh?
Exactly, correct. So 2 can sleep on the sofa bed, and 2, of course, in the bedroom. So this is the living room area with those beautiful crescent moon velvety chairs. Here is a mirror where is hidden the television. As I said before, since we are in a typical Haussmannian building, you will find an authentic marble chimney here at the Suite Bowman. And right there, if I open the window, you will have a splendid view on the church Saint-Augustin, the Parisian rooftops, and of course, Sacré-Cœur, which is right there, right in front. So you have a beautiful view.
Huh?
Exactly.
6
it's as if you were with me.
Everyone.
Exactly. So basically here what I showed you is that all of our rooms that are overlooking the Haussmann Boulevard, so for the rooms that are located starting from the 5th floor, you can see the Sacré-Cœur, and you can also see very, very well the church Saint-Augustin. So a bit more than half of our rooms give view on the Haussmann Boulevard, and the other half gives view on our inner courtyard. So very peaceful, very quiet. Now let me show you another hidden treasure.
Unveil the terrace. Can you give us the rates or the starting rates at the hotel up to?
Yes, of course. So just to give you, let me just show you maybe my face when I talk about the rooms. Sorry. So we have 53 rooms and suites at the hotel. So our first room category will be the Bowman Superior, which is 25 square meters. So it's going to be 270 square foot.
Exactly.
Yes. So quite spacious for first room category. Then we have the Osman Executive, which will be 290 square foot. The Osman Deluxe, which will be 310 square foot. And so for the rates, we're going to start low season for the first room category at 390, 400 euros. And during high season, it's more likely going to be around 460, 480 euros for those room categories.
Excellent.
And if we continue with the different room and suite categories, we have the Osman Suite Junior, which is a bit more than 350 square foot. Then we have 3 Suite Baron Osman, which are 420 square foot. And then we have the Suite Prestige Eiffel, which is on the 7th floor of the hotel. You have a very long balcony that goes from the bedroom to the living room. You have a splendid view of the Parisian rooftops. And of course, you can see the Eiffel Tower. And here we are in the Suite Bowman, sorry. And I will show you, let me just change my screen. Another hidden.
No, we lost you a little bit on your way to the private terrace. So it's a duplex terrace with a magnificent view of Paris. And we're hoping that Florence will be able to stay
there.
Here you go.
You have the sun that's here.
6 p.m. It's in between, but there is not the sun has disappeared. But
yes, it's a bit gray, but
I think we can imagine a splendid summer day or a lovely sunset, and be in the jacuzzi, or because you have a jacuzzi, which is, I think,
exactly, jacuzzi is right there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Indeed. So this is the dining area here. You have another area, another spot where you can have a drink, enjoy a glass of champagne, and watch the.
We're almost losing you there, but we can see the Eiffel Tower. So I think, Florence, maybe you need to move back where we are a little more better connection.
I know 360-degree view.
Yeah, we're cut off. You were cut off, but we can see the view indeed. I see why. Every time you kind of you move to the top floor of the terrace. So
yes, that's right.
Voilà. So everyone, it's a duplex tower. Imagine in Paris, you have a duplex terrace with a jacuzzi, with a dining area, with another zipping area, and then you have this top floor, jungly looking, beautiful, and you have the whole Paris at your feet, really.
Exactly, you have all Paris at your feet. You can see here the Opéra Garnier. You can even see Galerie Lafayette and Printemps. You can see Madeleine, La Sorbonne, as I said before, Tour Montparnasse, Dome of the Golden Dome of the Invalides. You can see the Grand Palais, which is in between the Golden Domes of the Invalides and the Eiffel Tower. You can even see La Défense over there.
Wow. To tell you the truth, Florence, I have never seen before such a view where you feel you really see Paris 360,
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Incredible.
So there we go.
Right.
Enjoy
very nice.
Enjoy the most beautiful view of Paris. Amazing spot. I will just go back down and get back in the suite. Sorry, it's a bit windy.
No, but that's probably why the connection is affected as well with the wind.
Ooh, sorry.
No, don't worry. It still gives us a nice idea of where it is, and location, and the feel for it.
So,
and whoever wants to come to Paris soon and visit our Hotel Bowman, then please get in touch with me. Or of course, as you said, we have this new marketing platform, and Let's Connect 365. So you can take a little appointment directly with Florence if you wanted to.
Flex Terrace, it's lovely.
Sorry,
The view. Yes.
No. Sorry, I was speaking, and I think with the internet.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
No.
Can you hear me well now?
Yes,
Is the connection good? Okay, great. What I wanted to show you, but I mean, if I do it live, it's going to be complicated. But we have a wellness center at the hotel. So we have a spa where we have an individual treatment room, a duo treatment room. We also have an experience shower and balneotherapy treatment room as well. So we used to work with a brand, but we are in the process of changing a spa partner. So they're going to be at the hotel very soon, and I will be able to tell you more about them. Also in this wellness center, we have a fitness room, which is available 24/7. So it's a small fitness room. It's a very cozy fitness room, but you have all of the latest gym equipment. And another hidden treasure, if I can say, at the hotel is that we have the chance of proposing to our guests indoor swimming pool and a jacuzzi. So when I will send you follow-up email, I'll send you the PowerPoint presentation so you can see the swimming pool. But we have a very beautiful blue sapphire swimming pool where you can actually swim. You have this very nice jacuzzi, and in this area you will also find the sauna and steam room. So a very complete wellness center that we propose here at the Bowman.
Yeah, and it's very rare because there is no boutique hotel in Paris who have a pool. Huh?
Exactly. It's very rare to find that in boutique hotels, and especially in typical Haussmannian properties. So when our owner bought the hotel, he wanted to make sure that he could propose that to our guests. So we're very proud to propose this service.
But you have a very complete offer at the hotel. I think I can't wait for anyone to or send your clients or come yourself. As I said, Florence will be delighted to welcome you.
Of course.
Is there anything else? Because that will be the last visit. You cannot go in too much in between the floor.
Yes, I'm sorry, because if I take if I show you another room, I mean, the connection again will be a bit messy. So yes, for the hotel tour, I mean, that will be it for today.
And at least everyone will be looking forward to see it live themselves.
Exactly.
Anything else? So we said for Paris, we look good that everything will be open on your side by May 2nd. I think already things are changing a lot in May.
Yes, exactly. Things are going to change a lot in May. Restaurants and bars should reopen starting May 15th. We have a 10-kilometer limitation that will be lifted normally May 3rd. So we will be able to travel freely again inside France. So yes, vaccination also is doing good from our side. So yes, things are getting better.
Voilà. So June, and can you tell us when the hotel will be reopening?
So yes, we fixed our new reopening date on August 31st.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep. All right. You didn't count too much on being reopening before.
We
make a decision, and everything was delayed, and voilà.
That's right. We thought a lot about reopening this summer, but yes, with the current situation and everything that's happening, I mean, when we will reopen in September for sure, our spa partner will be here. We will also have our new chef as well that will be at the hotel. So we'll be sure to reopen and have a complete, full service at the hotel.
Yeah, you were probably worried if the restaurant would be allowed to be open or not. So I understand.
Exactly. Yeah, that's right.
Anyway, so September is a beautiful season in Paris and always been a popular month. So we're all going to be working and sending all your clients. And
I'm counting on you.
Yes. I'm counting on everyone listening today. Voilà. Well, thank you very much, Florence. And
you're welcome.
We don't have any question. It was an unusual webinar, but I think it was live, no, unusual in the way that we went for a visit rather than the PowerPoint presentation. But I think it's usually so much more lively and to have you as us with us was a pleasure. So thank you, Nancy. Thank you. Just lovely, and thank you for the personal tour. Yeah, I think that was really good.
You're welcome.
And
yeah, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to.
I think we gave the rate, the starting rate. We spoke a bit of all the service of the hotel.
Yes.
Next time we do or a tour or something different, because you have a lot of activities that you offer. You have something with bicycle tour, and you have a lot of surprise as well.
Yes, indeed. I am planning on other surprises, so be tuned, stay tuned.
Voilà. So maybe next time we do something different as well.
Yes.
Or you will have your spa ready, or the chef, and anyway, we are there for you, and it's always lovely to have you with us. Thank you very much.
For sure. I mean, next time I hope I can present you our new chef and our new spa partner, and I'll keep you updated for sure.
Yeah, perfect. So have a good evening. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Coming to the hotel especially for us. And thank you, everyone. And I see one more question just in case.
Yes.
Beautiful hotel and presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right. So we're going to say goodbye. Good afternoon.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.
Bye, everyone. And bye, Florence. Kisses to
Bye,
Paris.
Dominique.
We will be there soon. Bye.
Oh, yes, hopefully.
Yes.
Bisous. Bye.